Are you struggling to download a PDF file using the post method in Android WebView? You're not alone. Many developers face this issue, and today we're going to tackle it head on. I completely understand how frustrating it can be when your code works perfectly in a browser like Chrome or Firefox, but fails in WebView. It's a common hurdle for many developers. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user asked, "Why can't I download a PDF file using the post method in WebView, even though it works in regular browsers?" This is a great question and one that deserves a thorough answer. So, what's going on here? WebView has some limitations compared to full browsers. It doesn't handle downloads in the same way, especially when it comes to post requests. But don't worry, we can work around this. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a solid workaround to download files using Post in WebView, and I promise it will be worth your time. To begin resolving the user's issue with downloading files in a WebView, the first step is to enable file downloads in the WebView settings. Next, the user should implement a download listener for the WebView. This listener will handle the download requests when a file is triggered for download. Now, the user needs to handle the download process within the download listener. This can be done using the Download Manager class provided by Android. Finally, the user should ensure they have the necessary permissions in their Android manifest XML file to allow for file downloads. Fun fact, did you know that the first web browsers didn't support file downloads at all? We've come a long way since then, but some challenges still remain. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests using the multi-thread downloader plugin for Android. This allows you to obtain a direct link to files in your WebView. You can set a download listener to capture the download event and then pass the URL to the multi-thread downloader for the actual download. Here's a pro tip. Always test your download functionality on multiple devices and Android versions. This will help you catch any issues early on. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to download PDF files using the post method in Android WebView. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.